becoming cloudy late in the morning with 60% chance of snow or rain or drizzle in the afternoon. Wind becoming southeast 20 kilometers per hour in the morning. High +2.
At 10:12 p.m. EST Wednesday, December 21st, 2022, a winter storm watch is in effect for Oxford, Brant, City of Hamilton, Halton Hills, Milton, Kitchener, Cambridge, region of Waterloo and Guelph, Erin, southern Wellington County.
22h12, heure normale de l'Est. Le mercredi 21 décembre 2022, une veille de tempête hivernale est en vigueur pour Oxford, Brant, ville de Hamilton, Halton Hills, Milton, Kitchener, Cambridge, région de Waterloo et Guelph, Erin, comté de Wellington Sud.
Forecast for Brantford, County of Brant, issued by Environment Canada at 3:30 p.m. Wednesday, December 21st, 2022. Tonight, clear, becoming partly cloudy this evening.